I bought these two Fillixar bike lights months ago for road riding. I never used them until Cobra Kyle and I went out for our night ride on the trails. I figured I would just buy a couple of cheaper lights instead of one super expensive light. These are 800 lumen lights that are IPX6 waterproof according to their Amazon description. They're very bright on the highest setting. They're rated to run for up to an hour and 30 minutes on high, and I can say that is accurate. By the end of our ride, the warning lights were blinking, indicating that the batteries were getting low. It was almost exactly 90 minutes by the time we finished. The lights were still on, but they were starting to fade a little. 2 of these mounted on my handlebars was more than enough to light the trail. You may even be able to get by with one of them, but I wouldn't recommend it. They are also great for lightsaber battles in the garage. The mount has a rubber underside to help with potential slipping on the bars. There's also this plastic screw-on nut that really lets you crank down the mount. I had 0 issues with it slipping or changing angle while riding the trail. There's a quick release to remove the light easily. I completely forgot I had this remote. It plugs into the USB charge port and you can mount it to your handlebars. It's pretty handy. Speaking of the USB port, it's got this rubber cover to keep water out when riding. This is also the charging port. Charging times are lengthy as the battery is at 2500 milliamp hours. I did try using this light while plugged in to see if it was possible to use it with an external battery. It is not. It will not turn on. This is a very bright bike light. The price is right at $20 on Amazon. The only negative I can come up with is the battery life. You could get in trouble if you go out for a night ride longer than an hour and a half. If you don't mind carrying the extra weight, I'd suggest just buying a couple extra. That way you could swap them out as they die, giving you up to 3 hours of lighting total. Buying 4 of these would only cost you $80, which is still well below one higher power light. If I start riding more often, I'll likely just order 2 more of these. I'll leave a link to this light in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Let's do one with sounds, just like idiots, ready?